welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I have a very special video for you. It is a haul video and it is in collaboration with Totally Dazzled. And I am so grateful and thankful and appreciative of this great bag of goodies that was sent to me by Totally Dazzled. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Totally Dazzled is a family-owned company that was started by Natalie Montour. They are located in San Marcos, California. And Natalie is a former creative wedding invitation designer. And she decided that she wanted to start her own company, and she wanted to go out and get the best and procure the best rhinestones and embellishments for weddings that she could possibly get. And that is how she started her company. Now, we creators know that those rhinestones and embellishments are not just for weddings. We use them for a multitude of things because we're creators. We like constantly designing. That is what Natalie does as well. And I'm sure that is why she likes when we do projects using Totally Dazzled items. One thing you may not know about Totally Dazzled and Natalie is that she wants you to be completely satisfied with anything you purchase. So much so that she had a satisfaction guarantee. So if you are not happy with anything that you have purchased, you can return it with no questions asked. But come on guys, really? Who is going to return anything from Totally Dazzled? I mean, their products are awesome, and I cannot wait to show you what they sent me. So come on and let's take a peek. All right, guys, so let's see what goodies we have received. And I will say that these products have been shipped from California, which is where there is a large outbreak. And I will be wiping down these products, and I will not be touching my face, but I did want to show you what I received, and I apologize in advance for all of the noise. I know if you are like me, you hate when people are doing a haul and you hear nothing but paper and plastic crinkling. I hate that, as I'm sure you do as well. All right, guys, so the first thing that I want to show you is this beautiful black bling wrap. Look at the sparkle. You guys know I love black, and I decided to pick black bling wrap because, you know, black, white, and silvers are my colors. I also picked up the silver bling wrap, also very nice. Take it out of the package so you can see. Look at the sparkle. Can you see it? There we go. Oh, so pretty. So I picked that, and then I picked a silver pack, which is just a variety pack of items, and we're just going to go through and see what we got in our variety packs. Again, I apologize for the crinkle. If I can get this open. They are packaged quite well, which is very nice. So first item we have is this brooch. Oops, sorry. So pretty. Look at that. So sparkly. I love it. So we have that. We have another brooch. Again, oh so pretty and sparkly. Oh, I just love it. Oh, look at this cute little, oh my gosh, it's a little bow. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to use this. Oh my. Oh, so pretty. Look at this, guys. Look at this cute little bow. Oh my gosh. So cute. I know exactly what I'm going to use this for. Take a lot of time to go through everything. So I'm just gonna leave it at this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 5 packs, guys, of rhinestones, and I cannot wait to get started. Guys, I know that this is a very stressful and difficult time for all of us. We are all worried about our friends, our families, our neighbors, ourselves. It's a very stressful time, just really stressful. And one of the ways I'm trying to take my mind off of everything that's happening and to keep myself occupied while we go through this difficult time is crafting. I love crafting. You guys see me do tons and tons of DIY videos. It's my passion. I like thrifting and designing things on a budget. So that is why I was so happy when Totally Dazzled sent me the little bag of goodies that they sent, because now I can take those goodies and create fabulous items to take my mind off what is going on in the world, at least for a little while. And I hope to help you do the same as well. If you are looking for a craft project or something to do, consider buying some items from Totally Dazzled. I mean, they have really awesome stuff. I showed you what I purchased, or what they sent me in the goodie bag, and I would really love it. And I want to try to help take some stress away from you, take your mind off what is going on. So I will leave a link down below if you're interested in purchasing any items from Totally Dazzled. It is a 20% off coupon. It is an affiliate link, which means if you purchase something through the link, I will get a very small commission. But I want you to try them, and even if you don't, I mean, just go to their website and look to see what they have. They have the best rhinestones and embellishments, bling wrap that you can possibly buy, and it's all such a great price. I know we're all going through financial difficulty at this time, so not everyone will be able to buy any items to do craft projects, but if you do have a little bit of money, they are very affordable, and you can use the link to take 20% off. So as I said, I am going to do a iSTYLEMYSTYLE project week, and I would greatly appreciate if you would join me. I'm going to do a collaboration in 3 weeks, so leave a link or leave a comment down below letting me know if you are interested in participating in the iSTYLEMYSTYLE Your Style project week. It will be in 3 weeks. I will let you know the date as soon as I see how many people are interested in participating. If there is no one interested in participating, I will still do my iSTYLEMYSTYLE decor or design week using Totally Dazzled products, because I think they're great and I want to use them and put them to use. I want to create things that I have seen outside while shopping at TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Marshalls, and recreate those items that I saw for a fraction of the cost using these Totally Dazzled items and items that I purchased from the Goodwill. So even if you don't want to participate in the collaboration, I am still going to do the iSTYLEMYSTYLE project week. I hope you join me, but if you don't, then I hope you hit the subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family, and so you don't miss out on a single episode of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE project week. So Thank you once again, Totally Dazzled, for sending me this awesome bag of goodies. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to show you what I can create with your product. I think outside the box, and I really think you will like what you see. So to all my faithful friends and family members, thank you for all your wonderful love, support, and your comments. If you're new here, welcome. Again, please consider hitting the subscribe button and becoming part of my YouTube family. You can go back, look at all my videos. If you like the videos and you think it's something that you would be interested in, I would greatly appreciate if you would become a part of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So that is all I have for you today, guys. Everyone stay safe, stay blessed. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.